4 simple sales funnel to generate leads for your coaching business. Number 1, free consultation funnel. Offer a complimentary strategy session and capture interested people details with a dedicated landing page and nurture them via emails and highlight the value of your coaching. Number 2, content marketing funnel. Share expert content through your blog or webinar. Use lead magnet to gather the contacts and continue the conversation with a tailored email leading to your service. Number 3, webinar funnel. Host webinar and promote them widely and end with the exclusive offer to convert attendees into the client. Number 4, testimonial funnel. Use client success stories to build credibility and illustrate your coaching impact and leverage these endorsements across your marketing channel. You can boost conversation with the strategic CTA, engaging landing page, and effective email sequence, and customize these funnel for your audience to turn leads into the royal client.